Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. In this video, we'll show you how to automatically generate ledger narration using sale bill remarks in Logic ERP. Let's get started. Head to the sales voucher configuration. Select the relevant billing series. Here, you will find an option labeled Sale Bill Narration, which includes 3 available parameters. Let's explore the functionality of each parameter one by one. Let's begin with the default option. The default option works in 2 ways. First, by simply setting it as default, the system auto-generates the narration. Second, by using a narration formula. In this case, the narration can be generated using a sales bill narration formula. Let's explore both options briefly. Let's proceed with the default option. Remarks can be added under Other Details. Let's enter Remark 1 in this section. Since the sale bill narration is set to default, the system will automatically generate the sale bill narration accordingly. Let's check the sale bill narration in the ledger report. As observed, the narration has been generated automatically by default. Let's proceed with the second case, generating the bill narration using the narration formula. First, set the sale bill narration to default. Then, under Other Settings 1, go to the narration formula. Here, you can define the narration formula according to your requirement. Let's generate a narration formula. Now, the system will automatically generate the bill narration based on the formula whenever a sales bill is created. Let's generate a sales bill and observe its impact on the ledger report. As you can see, the narration has been automatically generated using the narration formula. Moving on to the second parameter, sale bill narration as remarks 1 of the bill. Let's observe its performance. Let's add Remark 1 and Remark 2 to the sales bill and then review the ledger report. As observed, the narration in the ledger report displays only Remark 1, while Remark 2 is not reflected. Moving on to the last parameter, let's set the sale bill narration as Remarks 1 plus 2 of the bill and observe its functionality. As you can see here, the narration is generated by combining Remark 1 and Remark 2. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.